In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Tokenizer and Regex Tokenizer nodes. The Tokenizer node converts text to lowercase and splits it on whitespace to produce a wrapped array. The Regex Tokenizer allows more advanced users to define regular expression patterns to split the selected text. First, in the Tokenizer configuration pane, the first thing we need to do is to select our input column. This must be a string column. For this example, we will use address line 1. Next, we need to select or name our output column. This will be the column that contains the wrapped arrays with the tokens that were produced. In the regex or regular expression tokenizer node, the first thing we need to do is to select our column. For this example, we will again use the address line 1 column, and again, they must be a string column. Next, we need to choose our tokenized column. This is the same as the second option in the previous node. This is simply our output column that contains our wrapped arrays. Next, we need to select our pattern. This is where you will input your regular expression that will define how to split the text. And finally, we have the option for gaps. Gaps allow us to split on white space. If you want this behavior to follow through, you need to select true here. If not, select false. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that after each of the tokenizers is executed, that we have a new column at the end of our data set that contains wrapped arrays with the text split in each token. With our regular expression tokenizer, since our regular expression was splitting on white space, it again produces the same result. Thank you for listening.